को तेरेगा उड़ेनी कुड़ेनी ला 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 wasmiruha matang hodagen kana hodani.
Mifata waragina huravtaga ishtag dehastolaga kosatu fengen dane. Isha Allah. Demme genes the item shalala deni. LKG G ge darivarum. Me item namaki flowers are red. A little boy went first day at school and got crayons and he started to draw. He put colors all over the paper. For colors is what he saw. The teacher said, "What you doing, young man?"
"I'm painting flowers, see."
"Well, this is not the time for argument. Well, anyway, flowers are green and red. There's a time for everything, young man. A way that things should be done. You've got to show concern for everyone else. You're the only one." She said, "Flowers are red.
Flowers.
Green leaves are
Green leaves.
There's no need to see flowers any other way than the way that they always have been seen." But the little boy said,
"There's so many colors in the rainbow, so many colors in the morning sun, so many colors in the flowers, and I see everyone."
Well, the teacher said, "You're sassy. There's a way that things should be, and you won't paint flowers the way they are. So repeat after me." She said, "Flowers are red.
Flowers.
Green leaves are green.
Green leaves.
There's no need to see flowers any other way than the way that they always have been seen." But the little boy said again,
"There's so many colors in the rainbow, so many colors in the morning sun, so many colors in the flowers, and I see everyone."
Well, the teacher put him in a corner. She said, "It's for your own good, and come out till you get it right, responding like you should." Well, finally he got lonely. Frightened thoughts filled his head, and he went up to that teacher, and this is what he said. "Flowers are red.
Flowers.
Green leaves are green.
Green leaves.
There's no need to see flowers any other way than the way that they always have been seen." Well, time went by like it always does. He moved to another town, and that little boy went to another school, and this is what he found. The teacher there was smiling. She said, "Painting should be fun. Well, there's so many colors in a rainbow, so let's paint everyone." That little boy painted flowers, leaves of green and a rose of red. And the teacher asked him why. This is what he said. "Flowers are red.
Flowers.
Green leaves are green.
Green leaves.
There's no need to see flowers any other way than the way that they always have been seen." But there still must be a way for our children to say,
There's so many colors in the rainbow, so many colors in the morning sun, so many colors in the flowers, and I see everyone. There's so many colors in the rainbow, so many colors in the morning sun, so many colors in the flowers, and I see everyone.